Hey, what's up, guys? Mike here. This is Fresh Off the Boat, and here we have
Kang's here, yeah.
Kang. Alrighty. So today's topic that we're talking about is blue crabs, and we got some questions that people are asking us about in terms of like the quality and whatnot. So today, the purpose of this video is to educate you guys about our products and services, especially in blue crabs. So let's go straight to it. So Kang, a lot of people ask about the sustainability of blue crabs, especially our products. Can you tell them a little bit about blue crabs?
So blue crabs are very popular and very high demand, across America. They're very sustainable because, especially female crab is loaded, and then each time female crab get pregnant, it's like another million crab coming out. And then it's almost like I wouldn't say unlimited supplies, but we had a lot of blue crab to eat, and without worry that they're gonna be extinct.
Okay. All right. So that leads to a second question. So, like, in what terms of season, on the East Coast, specifically in Philadelphia, would be the best time to purchase crabs?
Now this question is sort of tricky. In my experience, I could be wrong, but so like the season for blue crab up in East Coast consistent of New Jersey, Delaware Bay, Maryland, like Chesapeake Bay, Eastern Shore, Lake Vienna, and somewhat like Upper Virginia. They will clump together as the East Coast. So summer starting, I would say like late April. That's when the season actually started. Last through all the way to like late August or even like mid-September. That's when they're best of tasting. And then maybe after like September, even like after October. Right, October is after September.
Yeah.
I'm stuck with month. Man.
That's fine. That's
Right? Wait, October. Yeah.
October, November, December.
Yeah.
September, October.
Yeah, even like like early October. It can be still okay too, but after that, all the Maryland watermen pull up their pot. Season's over. Even they got crab. The crab most of the time gonna be very light and very weak. Yeah.
All right, so let's talk about the distinguishing features between a male crab and a female crab. So how can you tell them apart?
So when you go to supermarket and open out a bushel, or you see it on the displays on the ice shelf, if you see a crab, blue crab, the color is blue. But when you see the claw, female had orange or red claw. Like how female they paint their nail, so they had that little like tip of the claw. They had orange color. And male crabs, blue flat out, blue claw, blue head to toe. Then if you flip on if you saw it but you were unsure, you can flip them upside down. You see you see the belly. The male crab has a sword like on the bottom of their belly, like this, like this.
Yeah.
Female like this.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I want to provide pictures and whatnot so they can know. All right. So, and also, what's the best climate or temperature for crabs, for blue crabs specifically? Do they grow in? Do they strive in?
Some say 65, some say like 70, but it's safe to be safe. 65 to 75. That's the optimal water temperature for blue crab. Well, that's one of the big factor, but like depend on the salinity, the saltiness, and the water oxygen level. The harder the temp, the less oxygen and the weaker the crab. So, yeah.
Alrighty. And our last question is: a lot of people ask us like, where do we get our crabs from? So, let's tell them.
I mean, we bounce back and forth between multiple watermen. In the summer, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay, and Eastern Shore is our number one go-to because crab there, is the best. And then crab there's the best. And then I know the waterman's 3-4 years ago. He's a great guy, local business. His son also do it too. And then and also Chesapeake Bay, right on Elk Bridge, and then like the other stuff. Sometimes I hit New Jersey, but once in a while. But I like Maryland better during the summer.
So yeah, that's it for you guys. That's the topic of today's video, was the blue crabs or not. So we talked about the sustainability of blue crabs, the season which it grows in the best. We distinguishing factors between the male and the female, the temperature that's optimum level for blue crabs to thrive in, and last but not least, we talked about like where we get our crabs from. And we do nothing but besides that. Okay, that's about it. That was weird. But anyways, anything else you want to talk to them about blue crabs?
Gotcha. Actually, one more point to all of our followers. Depend on your area. Let's say if you live here, this will apply to you. But let's say if you live down in North Carolina, Carolina is very tricky actually because the water constantly maintain the same. Sometimes they get just a little bit hotter. Sometimes they drop down to the optimal. So it's very tricky. But Carolina, I would say it's the closest to year round. Most of the time they were okay, like qualities wise, they were very okay. Sometimes good and sometimes okay. And then if you live down in Louisiana during summer, don't be surprised if your crab are a little like down south Florida and Louisiana, even like southern Georgia. Don't be surprised in the summer if you buy fresh crab caught up on the same day from a local market, even from a local crab waterman, and then you end up find out they sort of not what you expected because it's not the season, because it's too hot, the water, the salinities, and then it's not the guy's fault. He still have to do his job, and then stuff like that. But I hope you guys understand that the season in the summer is not in the Gulf Coast.
All right, that's it for this video. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you found our information useful or provide of any kind of value to you, please like, comment, subscribe, give us some feedback. And also please follow us on our Instagram at FRESHOFFTHEBOAT.SEAFOod. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and please continue to support us, all right? Thank you.
Say thank you, boy. Say thank you.
No, you don't want to say hi to Kim?